हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं राम जी सर। हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं 9th क्लास के यूनिट नंबर 1 में। आज है लेक्चर नंबर 4, जिसके अंदर हम लोग पढ़ेंगे स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर। इसके पहले वाले लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि स्टेट ऑफ मैटर का मतलब क्या है, और वो मैटर के जो स्टेट्स है, हाउ कैन बी डिसाइड, हाउ कैन बी डिफाइंड, ऑन हाउ मेनी टाइप्स इट विल बी। ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस ऑल द थिंग्स इन टू द प्रीवियस लेक्चर। Today we'll discuss about the properties of these states of matter. We know that the state of matter is existing into the three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. So today we have to discuss all these properties to the tabular form of these states of matter, and these are following. First property is here intermolecular space, IMS. Second property is here intermolecular force, IMF. Then next property will discuss about the size and shape. Then next property is the density, which is also defined as the mass per unit volume. Another property will discuss about the fluidity, and next one is the compressibility. So सबसे पहले हम लोग इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में देखें तो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स स्पेस ऑलरेडी हम लोग देखे हैं कि पार्टिकल के बीच में स्पेस होता है। सपोज दैट ईयर इन दो पार्टिकल स्टेट ऑफ मैटर के पार्टिकल के बीच में स्पेस होता है, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस। और ये पार्टिकल एक दूसरे से अट्रैक्टेड होते हैं, जिसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स। देन साइज, यू नो दैट साइज, कोई भी मैटर जिस भी पॉट में रखा जाएगा उसका साइज, उसका वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम भी कहते हैं, साइज को वॉल्यूम भी कहते हैं। देन शेप, आकार उसका। डेंसिटी ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिफाइंड दिस वन, मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम। डेंसिटी, डेंस, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पार्टिकल इनटू द पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम, हाउ इट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेंसिटी। नेक्स्ट वन इज द फ्लूइडिटी, प्रॉपर्टी टू फ्लो, प्रॉपर्टी टू फ्लो। फ्लो का मतलब क्या होता है, बहना। फ्लो का मतलब क्या होता है, बहना, फ्लो करना। देन कंप्रेसिबिलिटी, कंप्रेस करना, दबाना, दबाना। तो ये सारी चीज़ें विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट। इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस इन केस ऑफ सॉलिड बहुत ही लिस्ट होता है, वेरी लिस्ट, वी कैन से लिस्ट, बिकॉज these solid particles या these particles of matter are arranged in a very compact manner. So the intermolecular space between the solid state, between the particles of solid state will be very least. Then in case of liquid, this intermolecular space, it will be moderate. Moderate means न ज़्यादा और न ही कम। So in case of the liquid state, these solid particle, these particles of matter are just arranged at the larger distance, and hence the intermolecular force it will be greater as compared to the solid state. Then here in case of the gas, the intermolecular space it will be large. Why? Because the gaseous molecules are arranged at a very large distance. Inversely, what we can say in case of the intermolecular force, the intermolecular force in case of solid state it will be the strongest. In case of the moderate, in case of liquid it will be the moderate, and in case of gas it will be very least. Why it is so? Because in case of the solid state, since the particles of the matter is just arranged compactly very close to each other, hence the force it will be stronger upon each other. Inversely, since the particles are arranged at the larger distance, hence the force it will be least, moderate. And in case of the gaseous state, since the gaseous particles are far away from the each other, एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर होते हैं, इसलिए उनके बीच में इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स क्या लगेगा, बहुत ही कम लगेगा, लिस्ट लगेगा। देन साइज एंड शेप, in case of the solid state both are fixed, both fixed, size and shape both fixed. Why fixed? Because The intermolecular force is very high, so these particles in case of the solid state will be strongly bound to each other and they cannot be migrate either and either, इधर उधर बहुत ज़्यादा frequently move नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसलिए इनका साइज और शेप दोनों ही फिक्स्ड होता है किसका, सॉलिड का. इन केस ऑफ द लिक्विड size is fixed but the shape is not fixed. Shape in the sense we can say size, already we have discussed size in the sense volume, and in case of the liquid state the volume of the liquid will be fixed but the shape will not be fixed. जिस भी बर्तन के अंदर हम लिक्विड को रखते हैं वो उसी का शेप ले लेता है. वजह क्या है, दैट इज द इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स एज वेल एज इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. In case of the liquid, intermolecular space is comparatively high, intermolecular force is comparatively low. So what will happen, the particles of the liquid state will just move either and either and they can achieve the shape of the any vessels. But here in case of the gas both are not fixed because the intermolecular space is very high and intermolecular force is least. Hence what we can say, the size and shape in case of the gaseous system will not be fixed. Then density. Density already we have defined, that is the mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume, density, this is the definition, but how we can understand the density is what. So in case of the density, how the particles are arranged very near to each other, that is called as the density. Yani यदि particle it will be arranged in a very close distance, at a close distance, so what we can say, the density it will be high in case of the solid, while it will be the moderate in case of the liquid, and in case of the gaseous system the density it will be very least. Why the least it will be? Why? Because the gaseous system the particles are at the very large distance and it will have the very least force. Then next one is the fluidity. Fluidity is what? Property to flow. So how we can say the solid cannot flow? Why the solid cannot be flow? Why? Because the intermolecular force as well as the space is very just according to that intermolecular force it will be very high and the IMS intermolecular space it will be very least. So what will happen? These particles will tightly close to each other and they will not be give the permission to flow from move from one to another places. So hence what we can say, the solid cannot be flow. While in case of the liquid as well as the gas, the space is just quite large, force is quite low. So what will happen, the particles of these matter can be displaced from one place to another place, and hence what we can say, liquid and gas can be flow, and hence both are called as, collectively called as fluid. Collectively called as the fluid. Fluid is in the sense that matter which have tendency to flow, which has property to displace from one place to another place. Sorry. The another property we have here, the compressibility. Compressibility means that by applying the pressure, if the matter is just changing its volume, so what we can say, that matter will be compressible. Since in case of the solid state the force is very high and the space is quite less, very less, so what we can say, if we apply the pressure over there, the particles cannot be just displaced toward to each other. Already just the distance is very least, so what the pressure can be applied over the solid state, it cannot be just to change its volume. Even then it can break but cannot be changed the shape, volume, sorry. So here what we can say, the solid will be just not compressible, any the compressibility of the solid it will be very least. In case of the liquid and gas, again what we can say, what we are saying, that the particles having the large IMS and the less intermolecular force. So what will happen, due to having the large space we can apply the pressure and the space can be changed between the particles. The space can be, so suppose that here the IMS is here, IMS is here, so if we will apply the pressure over, so this IMS can be reduced and hence the compressibility will be here in case of the liquid as well as the gas. My dear student, I have one suggestion, I have to give one suggestion to you quickly. that wherever the questions in coming, जब कभी भी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आपको रिलेटेड टू द स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर, तो आपको इन दो प्रॉपर्टी को पकड़ के रखना है। इन दो प्रॉपर्टी के बेस पे आप कोई भी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे सकते हैं। जैसे यदि मैं कहूँ कि वाई द सॉलिड्स आर नॉट कंप्रेसिबल, why the solids are not compressible, so you can pick up the two property, that is the IMS as well as IMF, and you can explain that since in case of the solid state the IMS is very least, IMF is just strongest, so there will not be any movement or the displacement within the matter, and hence the size and shape of the solid it will be fixed. My dear student, I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture, and you can take the screenshot and you can make the own notes. Whatever you have the doubt, you can contact to me on my number 788 088 2988. Thank you very much.